Hi guys, and welcome to Sino Supercars. Today we have a very exciting video for you guys. We've got a BMW M5 competition, the F90, and what an absolute beast it is. It's crazy, it's in white. So I've got the key over here for the car. You'll see it's just a standard BMW key. Again, I always say this in my BMW videos. You can actually spec it with a display key, which is pretty cool, and you can move the car around with it and all that cool stuff. So since this is an M5 competition, this car's engine has actually been tuned up from the 441 kilowatts from the regular M5. So this car now has 460 kilowatts of power and 750 newton meters of torque. The springs have actually been stiffened by 10% over the regular M5, but we went for a drive in it and it's definitely not uncomfortable in any way, I must say. So the engine, speaking of that, it's a 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 and it sounds mega. We'll put in a sound clip, and when we're driving, I'm sure you'll get to hear some of the sounds, and we'll put some rollers in for you guys as well. So walking around the car, you'll see it's very aggressive. The front bumper is very aggressive. The grills are all blacked out for the competition model. It's got special wheels. The competition has different wheels to the regular M5. It's got the M vents on the side, M mirrors, the usual sort of thing, and a carbon fiber roof, very important for an M car. And this car, like I said, is finished in white. I'm not sure which white it is exactly, but it looks really, really beautiful in the light. And then walking around back, we've got LED tail lights, and this car has something very special. It has an M performance exhaust, and I can confirm it sounds crazy. So guys, let's go ahead and step into the inside of the car. Let's unlock it. Go step inside. So before we step inside, you'll see this car is covered in leather all over, carbon fiber, and it is super comfortable. These seats are really big and bolstered. You'll see they're electrically operated over here. They offer a lot of support and comfort at the same time, so they are pretty damn good. I'm gonna start the car up for you guys from the inside, so just have a listen. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but we've got an electrically operated steering column, and this car is fully spec'd out, so there's a lot of options on these BMWs. This one has got pretty much all of them, I must say. It's got the dual zone climate control, or even 4-zone climate control. It's got red start stop button, which is standard on M cars. The infotainment system, like I said, BMW always has the best infotainment. It's easy to use, and you can connect your phone and listen to music and have a chill time whenever you want. And you can also put it in performance mode, which will show the performance displays, and that's really cool. You can adjust the modes of the car down here. So there's the exhaust button. You can just switch that on or off. So that's off, and then when the light is showing, it's on. It's got full surround park distance control, so you can see there. It's got a 360 view, my reverse camera and everything. And looking at the wheel now, so this is also like an updated steering wheel over. It's got like a newer style BMW steering wheel with the red M1 and M2 buttons. So these modes are presets, so you can set up your suspension, your handling, everything like that, your power, and then when you click M1, it goes to that default setting. And this is not the LCI version, so the displays are digital, but they're also sort of fixed. So the speedo and the rev counter are fixed, which I actually prefer the look of personally. The new one is kind of dynamic and all that. So you'll see the car right now is in efficient comfort mode for that, and you can switch that up. So guys, let me just give you a little bit of a rev from the interior of the car. If you can hear that, it sounds really good. So guys, I'm gonna cut to a sound clip of the car. I hope you enjoyed the walk around and look at the inside and the outside of the car. We're gonna get a sound clip of the M Performance exhaust. Let's go, let's give it a rev. Let's tell the guy. Listen to that, guys. This thing sounds mental. Wow. Guys, thank you so much. We're gonna go for a drive now. This is flippin' awesome. Hope you enjoy it. So guys, we're now sat inside the BMW M5 and we're behind the driver's wheel right now, and we're going to take it for a little spin. We're going to take it easy because the roads are a little bit wet today and we don't want to do anything silly. So let's put this thing in drive and turn off the handbrake and get going. So right now we are in Sport Plus everything. I'm going to put the suspension in comfort mode and turn that off, and then we can get going. Oh, it's in manual. Yo, this thing sounds mad. Are we going up the road? Okay, perfect. I think we put it back in auto. I don't know how to do that, but okay, now we're back in auto mode, so I don't have to miss the shift, guys. But this thing is crazy. Wow. Yo, this thing has insane power. Wow, guys, it's absolutely crazy. I don't know if you can see on film, but it's got a heads-up display, so you don't even have to look down. I doubt you'll be able to see it on camera, but you don't even have to look down to be able to see your speed and everything. So the first thing you notice is the insane power, and the second thing you notice is the comfort. The suspension is so comfortable and so compliant, even on the rough South African roads. So yeah, it looks pretty crazy and drives insane. And the noise from the outside is a lot louder, but even on the inside, if you just crack a window open, a little window, it sounds mega. It sounds absolutely mega. And this 8-speed ZF transmission is very smooth. Wow. Now we're stuck in a bit of traffic, so that's okay though. Picks up speeds so quickly. Wow. Oh, guys. So I think that's going to be the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's been awesome, and massive thank you to Kelly. If you guys are looking for any BMW to buy, please go look at his card. I've left a link in the description, and I've left the Auto Trader for BMW West Rand down in the description as well. Thanks so much, guys.